Happy cooking! Ang recipe natin for today, itong ating sauteed herigord with chicken. So, ito yung ingredients natin. Of course, mayroon tayo ditong chicken na marinate na yan ng light soy sauce, sugar, white pepper powder, at cornstarch. And then, ito yung ating herigord. So, kinat na po natin siya. Ayan. And then, meron tayo ditong oyster sauce. Gagamitin tayo ng panggisang sibuyas, bawang at luya at yung ating soybean paste. Ito. So, gagamit tayong oyster sauce, pamintang durog, tapos itong pangpalapot natin, cornstarch at cooking oil. So, i-fry lang natin muna yung ating chicken hanggang mag-light brown both side. Then, after that, ay saute na tayo ng ating luya, sibuyas, then yung ating bawang. Saute lang natin siya in few seconds, saka natin ilalagay yung ating herigord at hahaluin natin, saka natin ilagay yung ating chicken. Then, after that, ilagay na natin yung soybean paste, oyster sauce, haluin lang natin, yan. And then, mag-a-add pala tayo ng ating chicken broth or water, and then yung ating pamintang durog. Then, pakulaan natin ng 10 minutes. So, after 10 minutes, eto na po siya. So, isi-check lang natin kung okay na. And then, mag-a-add na tayo ng ating cornstarch solution or slurry. Pampalapot po ng kanyang sabaw. Ayan. So, after 2 minutes, ready na po yung ating ulam. So, thank you for watching. God bless.